Wouldn't it be cool if you could mount your camera using a sturdy, reliable magnet? Well, if you're using a phone camera, you can. The all-new Platypod Mag is a magnetic mount designed specifically for your phone, and it works even if your phone doesn't have one of those built-in magnets for mounting. And just to be clear, if you're not taking pictures and you just want to mount it on your desk, the mag works there too. Something pro and enthusiast photographers know is that reliable gear to hold your camera, like a tripod or a tripod alternative like Platypods, makes a huge difference. And something pro photographers know when using phone cameras is that same rule still applies. A quality, reliable mount makes a big difference, and the brand new Platypod Mag delivers reliability. Wait a minute, doesn't Platypod already make one of the most popular, rugged, reliable phone mounts called the Platypod Grip? Yes. And just like there's a reason we make more than one Platypod for different mounting and travel needs, there are times when a magnet mount works better for your setup than our Platypod Grip. When you take the Platypod Mag out of the package, you'll see that it comes with more parts than just a magnetic ring. There's an all-metal stem with a 90-degree bend, and there's an integrated ball on the end, and a 1/4-20 photography standard screw socket on the other end. Of course, there's the magnetic ring itself, and this one has a built-in threaded ball grip to hold on to that metal ball at the end of the stem. There's a plastic threaded twist nut that comes with the package so that you can tighten that magnetic ring onto the metal ball. And it also comes with 2 adhesive metal rings. Now you start by popping that metal ball onto the back of the magnetic ring in the threaded holder. You can see that the magnetic ring can twist and pivot all over the place, but it's not quite ready to hold your phone. You'll want to screw that plastic ring onto the threaded holder. And the tighter you twist it onto the threads of the ring mouth, the less that the mag can move around on that ball. Now you can screw the 1/4-20 base onto several types of screw mounts. For example, you can screw a Platypod disc or other quick-release plates onto the stem, and that way you can mount the assembly on a traditional ball head. Or you could mount the disc directly onto a Platypod so that it can sit on your desk. Because that 1/4-20 socket is so common in the photography world, and because Platypod makes all kinds of gear to hold things that use 1/4-20 mounts, you can start to see how versatile the mag will be for you. If you have a Platypod Grip, you can just spin the jaws off your grip and spin the mag onto it. Now you can mount that assembly on a tripod ball head or directly on a tripod or Platypod, even without a ball head. If you don't have a Platypod Grip and you like this functionality idea, check out the MagGrip, which includes the mag and the grip stem. Now let's dive deeper and get creative. You know those 2 extra rings that come with the mag? You could use them to add a magnetic mount to an older iPhone or Android that doesn't have a built-in MagSafe frame. And check this out. I have an official Apple MagSafe charger, and that sticks to my iPhone 16 Pro and charges it with no problem. But until the Platypod Mag came out, I always had to charge my phone by laying it flat on the table. Keep in mind, the back of the MagSafe charger barely sticks to magnets, so it's not going to stick to the mag. Well, now I can just stick one of those adhesive metal rings on the back of my charging pad, so I can mount it on my Platypod Mag, and of course my phone sticks to the front of that magnetic charger. And that means your port is now available to connect other devices like a remote mic or a solid-state drive. The Platypod Mag is a strong, versatile magnetic ring rated to hold up to 2 pounds. And if your phone weighs more than 2 pounds, you've got issues. You can see the Platypod Mag is versatile, adjustable, and it helps you hold your phone in ways you never imagined.